Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install the Microsoft Store on Windows 10. First, right-click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner and look for PowerShell Admin. Click on it to run PowerShell as administrator. If you see a permission message, choose Yes. When the PowerShell window opens, click inside it once. Type ws reset.exe and then press Enter. This command resets the Microsoft Store components. Do not close the window. Wait a few seconds while the process runs. When it finishes, the Microsoft Store may open automatically. If it does not, you can check for it later in the Start menu. If the store is still not installed, we can use a command to install it directly. Open PowerShell again as an administrator using the same steps from earlier. In the PowerShell window, type the following command exactly as shown. Press Enter and wait. This command uses Wingit to download and install Microsoft Store directly from Microsoft servers. When the command finishes, restart your computer. After the restart, open the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. It should now be installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.